Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, in this session, I will discuss with you and tell you about the von Neumann architecture. Von Neumann architecture is one of the architecture presented for the modern computer system. And we are discussing this topic under the main topic computer architecture. So what is von Neumann architecture and what is the idea presented in it? Von Neumann architecture is an architecture or model of a modern computer system. It is presented by John von Neumann, a mathematician, physicist, and inventor in 1945. What was the main concept and idea behind the von Neumann architecture? He proposed that not only the data which is to be processed by the computer system, but also the program or the instructions which are needed to process that data should be present or stored in the same memory of the computer system before the processing takes place. What it means, before processing the data itself and that instruction or the program which is used to process that data must be first loaded into the main memory of the computer system, then the processing takes place. Von Neumann architecture is a model for the computer system to perform various different tasks at the same time as our computer system of this age are doing. The machine built under the von Neumann architecture are easier to reprogram for various tasks. Our modern computer systems are built upon the von Neumann architecture. Dear students, let's have a look what was before the idea presented by the John von Neumann. These are the architecture of the computer system which are specifically built to carry out one task at a time. What it means, one task at a time, when the processing take place, the computer cannot be stopped, and if you want to process another task, you have to reprogram it after the first task has been finished. So early computers were difficult to reprogram or rewrite for the other tasks, and it takes a lot of time in days and sometime in weeks to reprogram the computer system for performing the other tasks. An example of one of the early architecture of the computer system is Alan Turing's ENIAC machine. ENIAC stands for Electronic Numeric Integrator and Computer. Now boys, you have a home task to do. First, you have to watch this video lesson. Second, you have to read the topic 3.01 from chapter number 3 from your course book, Cambridge IGCSE Computer Science. After watching the video and reading the topic from the course book, you may have some queries or some confusion to discuss with me. If you have any query, you can post your queries on my personal WhatsApp group NK-CBS-O levels. Thank you very much, boys. Allah Hafiz.